So my name's Scott. I've really enjoyed the last few days. A lot of good information, a lot to take in at the same time. But no, it does give what I get out of this is that have a clearer pathway. What needs to happen to be able to do this successfully.
Path to move forward?
Definitely so, yes.
Yep.
Definitely feel like that those steps are clearer to me. The work that I need to put in and the priorities that I need to place on the task, I think are really beneficial.
Perfect. And were you able to get any product ideas this weekend?
Yes, actually. Yes, I did have a few, and it was in relation to some initial research, but hadn't thought of some substitute products. So I'm thinking of definitely expanding the search, but yes, definitely got plenty of ideas for sure. And
would you recommend this training to anyone looking to get involved in learning the Amazon business?
Definitely, yes.
Why?
Why? Well, the setup is here. As long as one is willing to put the work in, it seems like that the support is here, the knowledge is here. There's a lot of good.
So the support, the knowledge.
Yes, and just when I say support of the team here, they know their stuff. I've just got to trust them.
Yep.